So what is a photograph? 1,000 words?
I know my heart can stay with my love.
A memory?
It's understood.
Sure, by the time we extract 1,000 words from a single image, that moment would be a distant memory. No, I'm not interested in that. What is a photograph? And why do we care?
Does it good to me?
We all live in light and time. Photography captures the light of a moment, that which is already gone, and effectively stops time. That's why we care. Wedgwood, Daguerre, Eastman, these inventors gave you the ability to stop time. They gave you life. But now we have digital memories, easily kept but rarely revisited.
My love does it good.
There is this mass, careless, hyperactive photo-taking.
Only my love does it good.
This is all-encompassing consumption. Today, when you take a photograph, are you capturing a moment? Or are you missing it? As you know, we are nearing the end of our semester, and some of you anxious students have been asking me about your grades. Well, as you know, 60% of the grade is based on class participation. So I think that's probably why some of you have taken this class, because it's a walk in the park. It's an easy A. If, however, you're not performing up to your Ivy League standards, then you know where my office is.
Hey,
What?
never mind.
Mr. Calder, Ms. Barlow,
So, are we going to talk about these grades?
This is someone else's grade.
this grade is correct.
I've done all the readings, went to every single lecture, and completed everything on time. This is completely unfounded.
Okay, I haven't done all that, but an F? Really?
Griffin, one rule, no technology in the class.
Jesus fucking Christ.
A carcass could pass this course, so long as it doesn't rise from the dead to refresh its email. Our class is not about attending. It's about participating.
This is participating.
It's supplementing.
These are bullshit, outdated policies.
Bullshit, outdated, but policies nonetheless.
Are you fucking with us?
There is a way you could pass the course with it, and that is this.
Please, I'll do anything.
For the rest of the semester, you can't use any technology invented after 1970.
Like, in your class?
No. Anywhere.
Oh, so you are fucking with us.
The rest of the semester, immerse yourself in the world around you without the use and reliance on your devices. Your choice, or fail.
So obviously, I put all my fucking shit in the fucking bin, and now if I want to use it, I have to go sit with him in his fucking mothball. You don't have to agree with him, just show some respect.
To the nihilistic maniac.
To your professor. What?
Dr. Calder.
Oh, hey.
Brilliant talking last week.
Good to see you.
Thank you very much, Professor N.
Oh, Professor Henley, how you doing? How's the wife? It is wife, right?
Dr. Calder?
I fucking had it with your disrespect. It's just a joke.
Everything's a joke to you.
And that's the problem. What? Like this. It's actually brilliant. Like playing with the linearity of time. It's just your mind. I don't understand. That's not my problem. No, your problem is you submitted this a week and a half late. Real world application of the subject. It was self-sabotage.
Now in a cottage built of lilacs and laughter, I know the meaning of the word.
All right, fail one more class and you are out of here faster than you can say cheerio. Here. Paper money. It's like Venmo.
She's the passionate one. Oh, yeah, it's like lightning. Everybody was frightening, and the music was soothing, and they all started grooving. And the man at the back said, everyone attack, and it turned into a ballroom blitz. And the girl in the corner said, boy, I wanna want it, it'll turn into a ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz. Reaching out for something, touching nothing's all I ever do. I softly call you over, and you feel there's nothing left to do. Now the man in the back is ready to crack as he raises his hands to the sky. And the girl in the corner is everyone's fun, and she could kill you with a wink of her eye. Oh, yeah, it was electric, sopranically hectic. And the band started leaving, 'cause they all stopped breathing. And the man at the back said, everyone attack, and it turned into a ballroom blitz. And the girl in the corner said, boy, I wanna want it, it'll turn into a ballroom blitz. Ballroom blitz. The back said, everyone attack, and it turned into a ballroom blitz.
And now for the hero of our story, George Eastman, who invented the box camera, the Brownie, and made photography available to folk throughout the world. And let Kodak continue with their slogan, you press the button, we do the rest. You have,
So, like, phone.
sorry?
You click the button, we do the rest. It's like taking a photo on your phone.
No, with a Kodak Brownie, you have 6 shots, 6 photographs, 6 chances to memorialize a memory. With your little cameras on your phones, you take picture after picture after picture. It's nothing. It's like a drop of water in the ocean. Whose phone is that? Whose phone is ringing?
Hello?
Okay, Professor Kelly, we've got to talk about this.
Griffin, I'm not passing her. Stop asking.
Okay, she fucked up.
She fucked up.
She really fucked up. But I've been with her this entire time, and every day she's living just like you wanted. And it's been great. But we can't live like this forever. We can't be stuck in the past. We have to live for the future.
You think I don't know that? You think I don't think about your generation and the path you have chosen, going down the path of pixels and online connections? I think about it. But there are people here and now that will live on only in an image. And trust me, trying to live life on a little screen will only give you a headache and a blue light dependency.
Wouldn't you rather have more photos, more memories with her?
I'd rather know that you, when you're driving down I-95, are looking at the road ahead, not at your cell phone. Because all it takes is within 1 second, just like a photograph, where your future becomes your past.
So now if either of us slips up, we both fail.
Whoa.
Yeah. No. No need to thank me profusely or,
Oh my God.
say, thank you so much, Griff, for saving my chance to be a big shot lawyer and beg for my forgiveness.
Hey, thank you.
I said stop it.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay.
So you crushed it?
Yeah, I crushed it.
Hey, all right. Enough.
What? Oh my God. This is so.
This is so our final project. Kodak Brownie. 6 images. 6 memories.
There it is. There it is.
Come on, just smile. It's legal in the state of Pennsylvania.
Can we?
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's great. Oh, it's good. I'm bringing this impression right back out. I know you love it.
Okay.
Okay,
Moving
wait.
on.
Let's think of some others here.
Hey, there's public indecency going on.
All right. Okay. No,
Right here.
don't even.
Someone collect him.
Don't even pay attention. Eastern. More hair.
Okay,
More hair.
go- yeah.
And
Choreography.
go. Yes. Oh, fantastic.
Okay, I have an idea.
Okay.
Okay, go sit on the Ben
You
Franklin
can't be
statue.
serious.
What?
Are you sure about that? I'm
go.
pretty certain people piss on this thing.
No, they don't.
Yes,
What
they
are you-
do. I swear to God, it's a thing.
This is so not a thing.
I swear.
It's not a thing.
I feel like I even did it as a freshman, frankly.
I don't think you did. You're,
Okay,
and
alright.
that it would have been gone by now.
I'm
Just
trusting
go take
you
a seat.
here. I'm totally
Go take
trusting
a seat.
you.
Go sit.
Fine.
Go sit.
Fine,
Okay, ready?
fine.
Ready?
Me and my pal Ben.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2.
The fuck? Are you kidding me? Come on, you promised me. That's.
Don't go near me.
Are you dead
actually,
serious?
do not go near me.
That's actually so cruel of you. I'm pissed off now.
I'm not gonna make that joke because oh my God.
Get
Okay.
it all
okay,
over
okay.
you if you're gonna do that to me.
Okay, last picture.
Come on.
You
Another?
love the camera. Just smile.
Fine.
done.
Hey,
What? Yes.
never mind.
Professor Kelly, our final project. And an apology.
Oh, thank you for the apology. Let's see what you've got.
All right. So basically, the film is still in the camera, but the concept is having fun in the.
Don't open the camera. Oh, God. That film is ruined.
What? Where else was it supposed to be?
It should have been left in the camera or in your pocket to have it developed.
Our final project.
Is ruined. Beat.
It's perfect. I mean, like, this is exactly how this final project would end, right? We had so much fun making it. You know what? Take this. May I? Out of the bin? Okay. Smile. Now that can be exposed to light. Okay? Okay.
So, this is it. This is the end of the semester.
Yeah.
Professor Kelly, if I find some weird pictures on this, I'm going to be real proud of you.
Gross. That is gross.
What? It's funny.
Oh, and by the way, check your inbox.
If you see her, say hello. She might be in Tangier. She left here last early spring. Isn't living there, I hear. Say for me that I'm alright. Those things get kind of slow. She might think that I've forgotten her. No, to tell her it isn't so.